For this recipe, you're going to want to grab your blender and a cast iron pan. The blender here is going to be your best friend because it's going to just make everything easier to clean. Oh my god, I can't speak. I mean, easier to mix. You can go ahead and just blend everything together. I like to blend my eggs first just because it's a little ease of mind. Then we're going to go ahead and add our sugared milk. Next, our vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in our flour. Now you can do this all at once. I don't know why I thought I was being... Just do it all at once. Next, we're gonna go ahead and melt our butter on a cast iron pan. At this point, you want to make sure your oven is preheated to 425 degrees or 220 Celsius. After melting the butter, you want to go ahead and throw in your toppings. Today I'm going to be using strawberries. Now it may look like I'm playing with my food, but really just trying to coat them in the butter and gonna try to center them into the pan. Along with the strawberries, I'm gonna add in a few dollops of this whipped honey ricotta. Comment down below if you want to see how to make your own homemade ricotta at home. And then straight into the center of the pan, go ahead and add your batter. Once this is done, go ahead and transfer your pan into your preheated oven, again at 425 or 220 degrees Celsius. For about 20 to 25 minutes or until poofed up and golden brown.
Yeah, boy.
And then go ahead and drizzle some more melted butter on top. And there's nothing left to do besides let us know some powdered sugar. You can do as much as you like. I kind of went a little overboard and did more after the video. But that's all to it.